Hi everybody, Matthias here. In today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix TikTok direct messaging not showing, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to go to my TikTok app right here and then log into my TikTok account, and then I need to come to my profile right here, and what we are going to do first is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, we're now taken here. What we need to do in here is to click where it says settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy. And as you can see, we're now taken here. What we're going to do in here is to just scroll down. So keep scrolling down until you can see where it says reports a problem. And that is exactly where you need to click. So click on reports a problem. It's just going to load here for us. Perfectly, what we need to do in here is to actually click on the pen and paper symbol in the top right corner. So click there. And just going to load. We need to actually once again click on the pen and paper symbol, so click there again. We are just going to load here perfectly. As you can see, we're now taken to this page right here. In here we are actually able to report this problem to TikTok, and this report will go straight to their customer service team basically. So you need to write something like this. I'm going to write my direct messaging option is missing. Please help me to recover it. So basically write something like this: my direct messaging option is missing, please help me to recover it. And basically the reason why you need to write like this is because you need to explain to TikTok that there's a problem, that you don't have the DM option on the TikTok app basically. You don't need to write exactly like this, but just explain to TikTok that this is a problem for you and you want them to help you solve it basically. And what you need to do now is to click where it says submit. So what will happen now is that it will take about 1 to 3 business days for TikTok to respond back to you. So about 1 to 3 business days, sometimes longer, just so you know. And hopefully after this, after you have done this, then TikTok will actually solve this problem. I hope that this will actually help you. Of course, this is not a 100% guarantee, but this is for sure, as of right now, the best way to actually test and see if this will work for you basically. So this is exactly how to do so. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.